Hi crypto friends, my name is Brian or as the community known as ARPO. I'm the founder of YGG Alerts, previously known as Axis Alerts PH, and the current head of marketing for YGG Pilipinas. I'm actually a graduate of culinary arts from the La Salle College of St. Benilde with no experience at multimedia at all. But I was part of the early beta testers of Canva here in the Philippines as they conducted their school partnership with Benilde. That's where I first met my love. Canva. Canva has been a big part of the early days of AAPH. It put me where I am right now, and just like every other relationship, you go into phases. I also went through that with Canva. You start with basic knowledge, you'll get basic output. But with every design, there's always something missing or incomplete. And that will be your drive in improving and developing your Canva skills. This course is just perfect for you to kick off your career in Web3. It may be social media specialist, media designer, or even a memer. Join me as I introduce my first love to you and be the MVP for Web3 and projects. Okay, nasa Canva landing page na tayo at makakakita kayo dito ng ready na template na pwede nyo nang gamitin for your designs. Pero for this specific na gagawin natin for today, gagamitin natin ang Facebook post. So pag kinlik ninyo ang Facebook post, automatic na yan na yung best quality of upload na pwede ninyong gawin for Facebook. For this course, ituturo ko sa inyo kung ano ang mga pwedeng gawin or ano ba yung mga available sa Canva na pwede pala nating gamitin sa mga design at makakapagpabilis ng ating gagawin. Okay, so first is discover the apps. So on the lower right side of the tab, you can see the app tool. Okay, andito siya. Press it. Now you can see a lot of sub-tools that you can use from here. It varies from creating QR code to YouTube videos. And there's also a lot of sub-tool that you can also import copyright-free photos. So for example, ito may Pixabay dito at lahat ng mga i-click nyo dito, copyright free and pwede ninyong gamitin for your own use. Okay, so after naman ng discover the apps, meron naman tayong discover the charts. So on the upper side of the tab, you can see here, you can see the elements. So press it. On the search tab of the elements, you can type charts. Now you can see a lot of chart options that you can use that can vary from table chart, columns, or flow chart. For example, pwede tayong mag-pie chart, diba? So you can change yung color dynamic neto. For example, itong light greenish blue na to, pwede natin gawing yellow. And then, yung corresponding neto, i-click nyo lang itong pie chart na to. And then, may corresponding, ano ba ang pangalan niya? Item 1. So, item 1, pwede natin gawing 20. Tapos, automatic na siyang mag-a-adjust depende sa numbers around the area. Okay, next, dito naman tayo sa text. So, trying to find your best font for your design can be tricky, but knowing what to and not to do will make it easier. You can find the fonts at the text tab. So, dito siya sa left side of the panel. Click it. And now you can see the default text here. You can use it as a placeholder. For example, ito, you can use it as a placeholder and it is default as Canva Sans. So, Canva Sans is the most readable and perfect for infographics. You can set it for straightforward ideas and topics. So, font styles should embody what your presentation vibes. If it's personal, you can try the handwritten options at the search bar. If it's playful and rowdy, you can try the New Sans Playful font. Okay, so makikita ninyo tatlong font pero iba-iba yung vibes na binibigay ng kada font. But of course, you can also mix and match font styles. And there are a lot of ready available at the lower left side of the top of the text tab na pwede na ninyo itry. For example, ito, Bake Fresh. So, ready na siya na design na pwede ninyong gamitin. So, there. Next is finding the vibe of your design. To find the vibe of your design, first you should know the purpose of the design. Is it personal? Is it for school? Or is it for business? Design can vary, and if you're not sure, you can always check the ready available designs based on your need. Upon logging in, there's a search bar at the upper right side that gives you an option to make it easier. You can search Facebook posts, Twitter posts, or even presentations or A4 papers if needed. After choosing, you can see the ready styles at the left side of your tab. Here, for example, ito, pwede natin siyang gamitin. It's a modern furniture look and ready na siya. Pwede nyo na siyang gamitin for your own design. Okay, next is know what elements to add. Again, at the elements tab, there's thousands of elements you can try and figure if it's suitable for your own design. If you're leaning towards gaming, you can try to search Neon Gaming. Now you have a tons of options to use for graphics, photos, videos, or even audios that are suitable for Neon Gaming. Okay, next is know how the elements connect. Now that you have access to what elements to add, you can also connect two elements to form something new. For example, if you have a person element na may kita ninyo sa Elements tab, you can search shadow and place it under that person. And you can just position it backward and lower the transparency. And now you have a subject that has a depth on it. And that's how you connect two elements. Okay, next is smart mockups. On your design, choose what element or photo you want to use for the mockups. After choosing, click it and click edit image at the upper left side of your design tab. So, andito siya. And may kita ninyo dito ang smart mockups. Marami kayong option. May phone, may laptop, may greeting card, may book, may hoodie, etc. So, for example, gagamitin natin ngayon ay laptop. So, may mga variations palang laptop or angles na pwede ninyong pagpilian. For example, ito, papalitan natin siya. Now, if you're designing together, you can actually group together elements and move it as one, or even lock it to avoid unwanted changes. Just simply hold the left click and drag the arrows kung saan nyo gustong dalhin. So, pwede nyo sila i-group. So, after i-click, may makikita kayong group na pangalan dito. And just click it. And every time nagagalawin na ninyo itong box na to, magkakasama na silang lahat. And to ungroup it, may makikita rin naman kayo dito after clicking the elements here. At magiging divided na sila ulit per piece. Okay, next is background remover. So, this is the most interesting feature I love about Canva. You can easily remove the background of any elements, photo, or even portraits by simply selecting it and click edit image at the left side of the panel. For example, itong lizard. Just click edit image, background remover, and then you can see na AI na yung gagawa or magtatanggal ng background ng elements or photo na meron kayo. So if hindi kayo satisfied sa AI remover na may mga naiwan pang background or something excess sa mga gilid, may choice pa rin kayo dito sa may left side na erase or restore. For example, gusto nyo i-erase gilid or parang nose ng lizard, so you can still edit those. And kung gusto nyo naman mag-restore, pwede naman. Kahit saang part na pwede nyo i-restore, pwede. So, maraming possibilities or marami kayong pwedeng gawin dito sa may background remover. And for me, ito yung pinakamasaya and pinaka-helpful sa lahat ng app part netong Canva lessons na to. Okay, next is yung filter search result. So, at the search tab of the left panel, you can actually filter it based on color, orientation, or even animation. So, for example, nandito na tayo sa Elements tab and magsi-search tayo person. So, pagka-click nyo ng person, may lalabas na setting panel dito. So, just click it and you can choose any color na gusto niyo. For example, yellow person na pa-square. So, apply filter lang and lalabas na yung mga recommendations. So, sa inyo, it can be a photo, it can be a graphic, or anything else. So, may videos and audios pa sila. Now, this is how you add a QR code naman to your own design. So, at the lower side of the panel, just click the app. And if you drag down a bit, you can see na yung option for the QR code. So, here lang, konti lang. Tapos pagka-click nyo na ng QR code, pwede nyo maglagay ng URL. For example, this one is facebook.com/YGGalerts. And pagka-generate nyo ng QR code, meron ng lalabas na code na directly na pupunta sa facebook.com/YGGalerts. Once it's generated na, you can click the color option sa may taas. You can change the color of it based on your design. So for example, ito yellow na rin yung person natin dito. Pwede natin gawing yellow na rin to para mag-match sila. Okay, next is how to add a clickable link. So if you want to direct people with link from your presentation, you can actually do this by simply clicking any text or photo or any elements that you want them to click first. Then you can see the 3-dot option pagka-click. So pagka-click 3-dot option, and you can see here more, and meron nakalagay dito na link. So ta-type nyo lang yung URL, for example facebook.com/YGAlerts, and enter. So this is perfect for presentation. So every time na i-present ninyo to or ibibigay ninyo itong file, every time na i-click na nila tong person na to, madadirect na sila sa link na nilagay ninyo. And lastly for this video, this is how you magic resize any design. For example, if you already have a ready design and you're currently using the dimension for Facebook posts, for example, you can easily change it into an A4 size or basically anything else. Although this option is only available for Canva Premium users, this can still be a very good option if you have. So just simply click resize at the upper tab ng Canva ninyo and just select what size that you want it to resize. For example, Facebook cover photo. So just click resize and automatically mare-resize na ang design ninyo to Facebook cover photo. And there you go. That's the first part of our Canva session. After watching this episode, you may chat Canva Learner on the general chat of YGG Pilipinas Discord channel and you will be granted with that role. That role will have its own perks that you can use in the future. As you finish more Canva courses, that role will evolve as well as its perks. Also, at the end of this course, you will get an e-certificate that you can use outside YGG. Maraming salamat!